Alright, if you got some handles that won't tighten up, no matter what you do here, try with your screws and your screwdriver. Just strut. Just keeps turning in the hole. Nothing's getting tightened up. What you can do is put a little wood or paper in the hole and give the screw something to bite. Let me show you here, give you a little piece of a work order. Very simple. Just 2 pieces here, so just gonna roll this up nice and small. You can also use the back end of a matchstick. Just don't want to use the match head, you don't want to start a fire. Anyway, put this down in there. You can see it there. I might have made it look bigger than I wanted to, but that's okay. We can just put the other end back in the hole there. Now the screw will have more material to grab here, something to bite on. Now that's tightened up nice and good. I'm not going to tighten it too tight yet, so we can do the other one. Same thing. Oops. You got the idea. We can twist it up a little here. A little twist. Insert. Come on, buddy. Okay. Insert. Yeah, we should tighten it. Nice and snug now. And tighten the top one. And you're all set there, nice and solid.